Good morning, sixth grade. I hope that you're having a wonderful morning so far. I just wanted to take a quick minute and go over this week's learning activities for the week of April 27th through May 1st. It's hard to believe it's already the end of April, so this is our final week in April. And what we're going to do this week is start something new. We're starting to grade activities now. So the things that you complete on this checklist are going to be given points and put into the grade book. And I just wanted to remind you of that so that you know that everything on here is required and we want you to do the best that you can on these activities. So what you'll notice is the first column, we want you to start with the first column because those are worth 20 points and will be graded for accuracy. So make sure you're, going into the links here for all of your classes and then completing what is actually on the checklist that we want you to complete that's graded. So for ELA, you're going to read chapters 1 through 5 in Dead End and Norvelt, and then answer chapters 1 through 5, the writing response. For math, it looks like you're going to review materials and videos and complete the surface area task problem. For science, you will review materials and videos and complete the rock cycle writing activity. And then for social studies, you're going to watch a Brain Pop video called Pax Romana and complete the Pax Romana discussion questions. The health and wellness activity, the fit log, is there for you. That will be graded as well. There is nothing to do for music that is graded this week. And same thing with the homeroom. You still should complete those activities. We want you to still be doing them, but you won't receive a grade for them. Once you're finished with those, then you should move on to the extension activities for sure. And those are your chance to earn 5 points for each thing. You'll notice that in the last column, Acellus is the main thing in that alternate activities column until you get down to, of course, health and wellness and music and homeroom. But just keep up with those steps, keep working on them, keep working on your goals. And if you work each week for so many steps, then you will definitely earn some points there. We also want to encourage you to please come into office hours if you need help this week on Monday and Wednesday. Don't forget at 9 o'clock, it's with Miss Edwards. And then on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday from 12:30 till about 2 o'clock, Miss Middlemeyer, myself, Miss Tier, Mrs. Carpenter, and Mrs. Sable will all be available to help you if you need help. So I hope you have a wonderful week. And oh, don't forget that for ELA, you're going to be using this book, Dead End in Norvelt. So make sure you pull that out and have it with you from now until the end of the year because we're going to be reading out of this book. So if you have any questions, we'll see you later in office hours. Have a wonderful week, everyone. Thank you.